Hello, YouTube. Sunday afternoon, around a little after 1 o'clock. I'm almost in shorts. Busy, busy, busy. Dishwashers are done. I think I'm going to work on him. I'll bring you a little closer. I got a mess on the floor too. Portable washing machine, apartment size. Got a few trinkets inside. I show you. See? Electric motor there for the pump the water out, same as the dishwasher. And I do believe there's the motor right there. Can you see it? I got you upside down. Bear with me. Don't fall down. Yeah. Never had one of these before. This guy's going to be a little tricky to get out because he's right against this plastic frame. I really don't want to take that frame off. Whatever, eh? Whatever it works. Can you see that all right? Can you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I see? Look around, make sure nobody's watching. Yeah, a couple of the dishwashers were complete stainless, so they're by the fire pit. Some of the crap on the ground came off of it. Sometimes it'll bang off. Most of the times it will not. Okay, I was looking at that wrong. That motor will come out. It's going to slide up, not back. So it's about 54 degrees Fahrenheit out again. Beautiful sunny day. I'm watching a lot of you guys there. Man, oh man, you got lousy weather. There we go. Won't know what this guy is until I bust him apart. Just taking the steel out of it. Yeah. It'll come out. This might be an aluminum motor. There's a good chance of that. Come on. Wow, you're going to be stubborn right all the way to the end, aren't you? Yes, you are. That's just shred. Into my shred bucket. The only way to find out is crack them open, right? Machine won't let me. Well, this one's going to take a bit to crack open, and this ain't sturdy enough. Neither are you. Nope. It feels heavy enough to be copper, but I don't know. I'd like to find out. Hopefully this ain't too noisy for you. Are you even seeing what I'm doing? There. Sorry if you weren't. Well, there we go. We busted part of the side of it. We shall find out in a second. And yes, it can be. Looks coppery to me. It will come out. Well, that's alright. Like I said, it felt kind of heavy. It didn't feel like aluminum. Aluminum feels pretty light. I don't know what they had caught in there, unless they had a mouse living in there. Little tabs and stuff on the back here. connectors holding the wires. Oh, there's not a. Oh, you're on the inside. There we go. Another one. And there. I'll probably have to take the back panel off to get at what I need back there. I get at those little motors, hot and cold water inlet, you know. It's a little motor that lets them in. Oh, that's sharp. It's just plastic, but it don't matter. It still bites, doesn't it? It bites me anyways. A lot of wiring in here. A lot of it's just grounding. Probably because it's portable. You don't want to be liable for you getting electrocuted, right? Green and yellow. Doesn't that make brown? What do I need to get that motor off of there? Looks like another little motor right here. Cut the belt off. That's a start. Looks like just two bolts. Already got the ground wires cut. Okay, where are you going? Way at the bottom. So fine, how do you do? Well, we'll see if we can get the belt pulley off first. Little faithful channel locks. It's amazing how many bolts they undo. Okay, the pulley slid down. You're gonna come up. Nope, I need to bolt out further. There we go. Is that aluminum? Huh. Look at it. No, that is. It's got 3 screws holding it on. I think we can get that off. We need the Phillips head screwdriver. Screwdriving bit. I have all mine here, so. So have to take that bolt out, and that's all cast. I don't have any use for you. There we go, nice piece of cast. Don't worry, there's a bucket right behind you. It's all the stuff that's coming in. Now we can see our motor, and it's got a lot of this crap wrapped around it. Spins pretty nice. Now we're gonna take it apart. Is there a nut underneath? Is that what it is? Yeah, you're not gonna let me do it, are you? Nope. Like I said, this is new to me. Have to get my socket set. Oh, we got a plane flying overhead. Beautiful day for that, I think. Well, that was too easy. Of course, it's sitting on rubber. I don't think. No, it's just stuck in the rubber. Come on. There we go. Hey, it's even been cut. Cut to fit, I guess. I can't get my hand in where that one is, so I'm gonna have to try and get them out like this. It's not loose yet. Still holding by that one. Some more miles to go. Okay, that's off. There we go. We have one motor. Cool. Wow. Completely. Oh, that's why they wouldn't undo. I figured they had a nut on the bottom of it, just like there's a nut on the other end of the tool, right? Well, the main goal is to get these bins loaded, so I'll work with this later. Right? Oh, we'd like to know if it's copper or not, don't we? Well, I'll put it this way, this thing is very heavy. I'll get my knife out and give her a stretch. Well, weight don't matter, I guess. It looks aluminum to me. Well, that's a bummer. That's really a bummer. Actually, I think that's copper. Guess I'm not seeing it. It doesn't look really white. It looks kind of reddy. I do believe that's copper. The final check will be when I pop the thing open. Okay. No mess of wires in here yet. Wire's still attached to whatever this thing is. I have no idea. I've never seen it before. It's got like a cable attached to it. Here's the capacitor. The cord's been cut off the back. And the wires head way down there. They head way down there. They're not going to let me pull it out. What's in the bag? It was wrapped. I like these connectors. I like to pick some up. I don't know what they're called. I know they're crimped solderless connectors. Maybe that's what they're called. I have no idea. But I like them. I could use some around the house. Oh, we can go hold me together here. Huh? Tangled mess here. There we go, that's part of it. Whoop, got a bunch of clips on here. Come off. I always got to take the clips off. I tried to do that right away. That way I don't get caught with my pants down. And I bring my wire in. If you don't strip this wire, I don't look at it again until I bring it in. So, okay, the rest of the wire is going to come from the other end. I got to take the back panel off. curious what this thing is. I think I'm going to bust them apart. I don't. It says synchronous motor, so I've never seen one before. Here, take a look. This guy right here. He's got a cable attached to him for something. Oh, he can pulling something on the clutch. Maybe he's like a brake or something. Well, let me get at her. Oh, in your shadow, shade, sun, whatever. I'm just gonna beat him with a hammer. Hammer time. And hammer don't do much. Well, it's a wee little electric motor in there, same thing that's in the microwave. Turns the table, that's all it is. I guess they call it a synchronized motor. It's in sync with something, alright? Oh, come here. Almost lost him after all that work. A whole bunch of little gears on him. Well, I'll just take all the stupid gears off. Looks like a porcupine. Look at that. It's full of... But it'll be a copper motor, so... That is fine by me. Right? And you, hopefully. Now I gotta take the back panel off to get the rest of the wiring out. Other than that, that's the end of it. We are flipped over. Even a schematic diagram stuck on the back of this thing. Very flimsy. Put the screws back in. Maybe. Hot and cold. At least they labeled them, right? That way people know. The machine would act up if you don't have it. Hoses right. Come on, it's just a little rubber. Just the little motors on the back that I want. Cut the wires off. I ain't gonna do that right here, so let's cut you off. Yeah, we'll play with it later. Okay, the rest of the wires attached. Look at that, there's more of this stuff in here. I don't know if that's supposed to be in there. Maybe that was I don't know. I'm just guessing. All the rest of the wires go up to the front panel. I really don't want to take that all apart. If I leave it alone, it can go the way it is onto the truck or to the thing, you know. Get the rest of these cut off. Well, there's a pile of them on here. Give her a yank, shall we? It ain't gonna come out. You dropped one. That hurt. Yep, well, we're just gonna nip her in the butt. Is even copper. sure if they're copper or not. Okay. Well, we can put the panel back on. We don't have to. It's not law, but then it is in a place where it belongs, right? Drill. Glove off. Can't pick these screws up with the glove on. Need to put them all in. And we drop two. There. Screws beat you in the truck. Oh, I think that was it on that. We got a couple big machineries yet to do, and then the rest of the microphone. Oh, look, there's money in here. I found a dime. Look at that. Cool. And it's steel because it's stuck to the magnet. There ain't much in this little guy. I don't know, you couldn't get a comforter in there. I don't know why that folds up like that. Why would that want that like that, you know? Okay. We're going to find out if that's aluminum or plastic. I think it's plastic. Yeah, that's plastic. So we're not going to worry about that, or should we? 2 screws maybe comes off. I just talked myself into it. It's a little Danby. Hey, that's partly my name, Dan. Don't swear now, come on. Okay, happy now, I got all the rest of it. That's why I couldn't pull you out. You wind and twist your way through there. Screw and driver. Are you seeing this all right? There's a little electric motor in there. I guess we'll take them off. There we go. I played with those before, man. They're a pain in the butt. All the little brassy leggies, and they got shit on them too, so they're not considered clean. Ton of wire on here, that's for sure. What's holding you? Huh? Some go under, some go over. What is that? Oh, it's just a little force clip. Okay. Yeah. Clip there. Clip there. I think that's all the clips. You see any more clips? Put you back on. Or why not, eh? Bada boom, bada bing, what a wonderful thing. I need my cart out of the garage because this thing's a little heavier than I want to drag around. So I'll be right back. Alrighty then, that one's done. I started working on this one. I don't know what was attached to it. I don't know how these come apart. I see screws here, but that's just where the legs that used to be there. There's no legs. I'm thinking I have to take the whole thing apart, and I really don't want to do that. I already checked. The motor is aluminum. Do I want to spend the extra time to get it out? Two screws here that hold it. And then it's got that blower attached to it on the other side, and you can't get at it without taking the front cover off. And I can't spend a whole lot of time on it. I'm on a limited time for this bin. I got 1, 2, 3 more machines to look at other than microwaves. They're not doing the air conditioners, they can always wait. And I got that one dehumidifier that's so bloody expensive according to the guy that bought it. At least that's what he said anyways. So to get the front cover off, I gotta take everything off, right? Oh, do I really want to do that? Why not? Yep, for it. Video might go into overtime. I guess I can get the control panel out of here. Where are these wires going? They run to this side. Ah, there's a little switch here. Must be for the door. Methinks. Oh yeah, whole pile of. Someone told me to keep it PG. I don't know what I said. Maybe sheet. As far as I know, I don't really swear in these, do I? They don't come off that bad, do I? There. Sometimes I wonder why I even got into this, you know? Why did I get into scrapping? Because I like tearing stuff apart? Could be, huh? I used to take it all apart even when I was a kid. There we go, one circuit board. I don't know what's under here. I ain't gonna worry about it. It's going in the circuit board bucket. There, more garbage. Tell take the front cover off and go from there. Yeah, we're gonna go into overtime with this thing. I don't know how much of that you saw. So, yeah, we're gonna run into overtime maybe. One big ass door. You see that all right? Let me know. Hold on. Just in case I want to put everything back together. Right? What's holding you now? Huh? Two screws in the inside of the door maybe? I don't think so. That should be all part of it. I know it's cast steel or whatever, that the hinge and the handle. Yep, it is. It's these two guys. Go figure. There we go. Ooh, sorry. It's all in here. A lot of burnt dust. A couple pieces of wire. No money. I see no money. Cheap bastards, aren't they? Okay. Don't need you in front of me like that. Did we go in overtime? I don't like doing that. We'll see you in the next video.